Today I will be showing you guys the best of the best and the highly recommended and trusted Discord advertising servers. But before I get straight into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content. And without further ado, enjoy the video. A quick warning before we get into the video: make sure not to DM advertise anyone or be toxic to anyone in the servers that I invite you to, or else you're gonna get banned or maybe happen any other thing. So enjoy the video. Today's video is sponsored by 4 servers. First of all, we have Magically Advertising and Molten Advertising. Magically Advertising and Molten Advertising are one of the largest advertising servers on Discord with a combined amount of nearly 90,000 members. From thousands of channels to advertise in, to channels looking for boosts and jobs and staff, Magically and Molten Advertising has everything anyone is looking to expand and grow their server. Have you ever wanted to grow your social media? They have channels for that too. You can advertise all your social medias from many selections. Want to grow even faster? You can also buy an ad for your server or any social media platform for incredibly cheap prices. Not to mention the many Discord Nitro Giveaways daily. I personally use these servers much more to expand my own server. Join yourself and check them out. Their server link will be in the description below. Next on we have is Open Advertising, an advertising server and a community server with over 25k members on Discord. They also have everything you need, it's trusted, and the staff team are amazing and kind, so that's why I'm picking their server from the best of the best. You can also advertise all your social medias there. They have specific channels for everything, and you can also buy an ad for your server or any social media too. And they sometimes host Nitro giveaways, but when they do, they host a huge Nitro giveaway, like 20x Nitros or something like that. It's actually amazing. Join now and start advertising and growing. Link in description, go check them out. Third server we have is self-advertising. This server has grown really fast of how good they are, and they have gotten over 18k members now, and I have gotten people also DMing me saying that they got so much joins from the server and it turned out really great. You can also advertise your bot and website and also any other social media there. And you can also look for partners and boosters and jobs. Me myself, I've gotten a job from there, and it turned out really great. Nobody scams there, and people are really kind there, you know what I mean? And it's also a community server for you guys to hang out with new people, and they are giving away 50 Nitro giveaways right now. Chances of winning is high because not a lot of people are participating in the giveaways because they do daily giveaways, so some people don't get a chance to participate in some of them. So go check them out right now. The link will be in the description. Hope that covers today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And join my Discord server, discord.gg/float. And thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.